Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I just want to share a quick one with you. I've got a parcel from Lookiero, and it's like a, I'll show you, Lookiero, and it's like a subscription company that styles you. They send you like 3 outfits. I think you have to pay like £10. And once they're able to take the £10 off your account, they send you like 3 outfits. They get stylists to style you up. They ask for your details like your height, your style, what you like to wear, your hips, stuff like that. When you register with them, they just want to get all the information for them to know what to send to you and what your style is like. So I saw them on, I think, Instagram also, and I decided to give them a go. I've been with them for like a month. They sent me a box last month, and I really love what they sent to me last month. Part of what they sent to me last month is this jacket. Yeah, it's like a blazer, but like it's chic, it's stylish, and I can put it on so many things. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what I have in this box. This is the second one, and I like the packaging. I like the way they package the stuff. They kind of separate the outfit one by one so that you know what it's worth. And it comes with a letter from Charlotte. Hello Charlotte, love you, thanks for the first box, I love it. And this is the second one, and I like the fact that it comes with different cards that has different styles and the ways you can wear the outfit. I've got like 5 cards here telling me how I can put the outfit together and all the things that I don't have in this box that I can purchase from some other websites to pair them with. So what I'm planning to do with all these cards is set up like a board and do like a I just put them on the board so I can pair these clothes easily. So let's see what Charlotte has sent to me this month. This month she said she's got like a black leather skirt by Street One to add a feminine piece to my wardrobe, and I recommend I wear it with a red pattern top by Majolika that will draw attention to my neckline and complement my lovely skin tone. Wear with heels or weather boots for dinner out with friends. So that's the first outfit. The second outfit, for your second outfit, I've chosen indigo blue jeans by Sinful C that would blah blah for a relaxed weekend love. So anyways, I'm just going to show you what the outfits are like and how she's asked me to pair them. I'm going to wear them, then we would give them mark out of 10 what you think. This is a leather skirt which I really love, because to be honest, I've got leather, I think I've got leather skirt, like leather skirts, but it's not like short one. So I'm quite open to it. I want to see how it looks like. And this is the top, I believe, yeah, the red pattern top that she's asked me to pair it with. So yeah, and she's asked me to wear it with heels or winter boots for dinner out with friends. So I'm going to show you how I pair that, and you will be the judge. Yeah. The second half, and I believe she said indigo blue jeans for relaxed weekend look. Pair them with the red top. Okay, she has included indigo jeans in here, which she's asked me to pair with the same red top. You see, she's asked me to pair with the same red top and the grey heat polo neck sweater, which is this one. So she's asked me to wear the red top and pair it with this for relaxed weekend look. Pair them with the red top and the okay, so that'll keep you cozy on the weekend. Okay, so we're gonna pair these two together and the red with this one together, and we'll see. And the third one finally I've chosen the coat, blah blah. Okay, I love the fact that she always includes a coat in everything she sends to me, or a blazer. And this is a coat. This is a coat that she has included in it, and I love it. I love the style, because this ordinarily is not my style. This is not what I would pick up on a very good day. Well, I love this one. Look at this coat. Let me move backward a bit. Oh, this is really, it's chic, it's stylish. I love it. This is really good. This is very beautiful. I love it. So yeah, I could put this one on every outfit she's prepared for me. I believe this will complement both outfits and bring another autumn tone into your wardrobe. Yeah, this actually will go with everything she's asked me to pair. The two outfits she's asked me to pair, this will go with it. So this will make the third one. I love what I've seen so far. So let's get into it, and we'll decide, we'll vote for which one wins and what you think about Charlie's styles for me. Let's get started. So guys, this is the first outfit. I like the skirts very much, and I could easily pair this skirt up with an ankle nail boots, or ankle boots, or a heel. And this is the coat she's asked me to pair with it. I'm not really sure if I like it with the coat, but I mean, it's something different for me. So yeah, I could give it a try. I like it, but no, I don't really love it with the coat. But you know, it doesn't hurt. But I feel if at all I have to wear it, I could pull it out a little bit and just make it a little bit stylish. I don't know. I could tuck it in by both sides or something. I just create like a little style out of it, and probably put on my another coat on it. I've got this coat I've put on it. Oh, this is it. This is the first outfit. Guys, this is the first outfit. Let me know if you like the first one. This is the first outfit. So I like the skirt. I love the skirt. I love it so much. I've been looking for something like this, and it's just perfect. And I love the blouse. It's so simple, and it's crossed on the back like so. So yeah, it's not bad. This is the first outfit. So let's check the second outfit out. I'm wearing these two with this indigo jeans here. I know I'm pretty far away from you guys, but this jeans is everything. This jeans is heaven. It fits perfectly. It fits like magic. So this is the jeans. That is the jeans. I love it. It fits perfectly well. It's just like magic. And like, I think I'm gonna be shopping for my jeans from this brand, to be honest. I love Charlotte. You are the best. You know me so much. I love this jeans. It's just perfect. I love it with the blouse. It's just amazing. I love it with this coat on, but I'm gonna try it with the polo neck sweater that she's included in it. Then we'll see. I'll see how it looks. Beautiful. It's really soft. Oh, what's not to love? I love it. I just love it. Oh, love it. I love this outfit. I don't even know which one is my favorite. I think I like the skirt. I like everything actually, but I like the skirt more. The skirt outfit, the idea of a skirt outfit, because it's like you can wear it, you can dress it up or down. So I really love the skirt. I love this one. It fits like magic. It fits so much. So thank you so much, Charlotte. Thank you really much. So guys, what do you think about this outfit, this compliment Lookiero. Let me know if you subscribe to them. Let me know what they sent to you, if you love them, if you love the style. I think I love the style, to be honest. I mean, it does no harm for me to shop once in a month, and I know it's coming from them because I know I'm going to get the total package from them. I love what they sent to me so far. And I mean, if you register with them, it's just £10. They take £10 off for your first subscription, and they send you all those things. I think it took about like a week or so for them to get back to me to tell me they're ready to ship out. They will tell you, they send an email to let you know they've sent the your clothes to you, and once you go through every clothes, if you the ones you like you keep, the ones you don't like you return to them, then you make your payment. So you don't make no payment unless you're satisfied with what they've sent to you. If you don't like what they've sent to you, then you send them back to them. You send the item back to them. So I think it's a win-win situation here, and yeah, it's worth giving a try. So let me know if you want to try them. Let me know if you've tried them, or you're planning to try them, or you've even seen them on Instagram and you're not sure of how they do. I can tell you because I've tried them for 2 months now. I wanted to see the second box before sharing the complaint with my viewers, with my friends, So, and I can tell you that I really love it. I love what they've done. I love the fact that they include the small cards for you to style it more, so you're not limited to the styles, how they've told you to style, you know, the items are sent to you, but you can as well go on the website here to see if you can grab some other things they've included here, and you can include that in your style. So I love this website. I love the company, and I'll continue to use them. Thank you for watching. Let me know which one is your favorite out of the two outfits, let me just say, or the 3 outfits, because I actually paired the skirt with a red blouse, or the jeans with a red blouse with a coat, or the jeans with this grey polo sweater. So let me know which one is your favorite. I like the skirt though, it's my favorite, but I love everything Charlotte has sent to me. But let me know which one you vote for. Give them, you know, rate them what out of 10, and let me know your rating for this 3 outfit. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've watched me from beginning to halfway, or from beginning to the end. Come on, support my videos, support me, encourage me to do more by subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and share with your loved ones, share with your friends. I mean, you can surprise someone this Christmas by doing the subscription for them, even if it's for 1 month. Let them give it a try and you pay for it. I think it will be a lovely Christmas gift for someone very special to you. And I'll leave you with a word: be true to yourself. Love yourself. Nobody can love you the way you love yourself. And you're beautiful in and out. God has made you in a wonderful way. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.